Good morning. We are at Aizu-Wakamatsu, and behind us is what I guess the entrance to the Zase temple. We have here a little story written about the Bushido and the fall of the shogunate at 1868. Where the Western Army ended the shogunate and the Bushido or samurai period, and it seems like they grieve a bit about that with this little information here behind us. So, anyways, we are looking at the temple and see what we can find around here. At this mount here is Mount Imoria. There's a famous location where 20 child soldiers committed seppuku or harakiri after they lost in this feudal war. That's Bushido for you. Let the kids kill themselves. Anyways, let's continue. So that was the Zase temple. It's a 220-year-old building. It's the oldest wooden still existing building from the Edo period. Everything is burned down because it's made of wood. It's quite interesting to see the two staircases, the way up and the way down. They meet in the top, and yeah, it's like a double helix. Nice construction and some nice details. Very, very tiny, so it just hit my head once. But nevertheless, worth a visit. So behind me is, more exactly, behind there is the grave of the 20 young samurai child soldiers that killed themselves. Then there's a monument from the Mussolini fascist area, which was impressed by this kind of stupid self-killing. And when you have one fascist, you have the second fascist, a German, not me, not me, but behind me another monument from the same time frame. Yeah, stupid. To make it clear, don't get me wrong, I'm not disrespecting any dead people, but I'm disrespecting fascist agendas that use the death of some child soldiers to push their own agenda. So fuck those guys. So we made it to our second stop, which is Ochi-juku. I expected it to be more kind of an open-air museum. It looked like that on the internet. But it's more like old houses from the Edo period, or in the style of the Edo period, but with lots of shops for tourists. So it's kind of Edo Disneyland, more or less. Could be worse. Our next stop after the village is a bridge called Tetsu. I'm sure it's going to I will insert a little text with the right information. It's 7 kilometers away from the little village, and it's just a bridge, but hey, more to see. We just had lunch at a rest stop beside the road with no internet connection, so no translator, and a bit gambling what to get, but it was okay. Now we are on our way back to Aizu-Wakamatsu, and there we will plan to park our car at a hotel, and then move on foot to the Aizu-Wakamatsu tight road to the castle itself and have a look there. So let's pick up there. We parked our car at the hotel, and now we do a little 2 or 3 kilometers walk to Aizu Castle and see what's on the way. At the moment it's just a boring street ahead, so yeah, maybe we see something nice. And there was nothing worthwhile filming on the way to the castle, but we made it to Tsubura Jokasel oder Wakamatsu Jokasel. So let's have a look around. So we are through the castle. I insert the name. This castle. There's a lot about the Aizu clan and the history of this clan and the history of the war which ended the shogunate and the whole clan. The only thing I recognize or took, those child soldiers that killed themselves. They killed themselves at the first day. The war was 30 days. What a waste of life, what a waste of time. Stupid. Anyways, it might start to rain, so we are heading back to the direction of the hotel, which is 2 to 3 kilometers. And maybe we see something interesting on the way. Regarding our way here, might not be, but yeah. Maybe I end it here, maybe I end it later for this day. You will know because the video is short if it's at now. So see you.